Albert Einstein, the name that became a symbol of genius around the world. He was born in 1879 in Germany, and from a young age he was different from other children. He didn't enjoy memorizing or following strict school rules, but he had an endless curiosity. He always asked questions, why and how. That curiosity would later change the way we understand the entire universe. After graduating, Einstein couldn't find a job at a university, so he worked as a clerk in a patent office. But in his free time, he kept thinking about big questions. What is time? Does light always travel at the same speed? From these simple questions came revolutionary ideas. In 1905, he published 5 scientific papers that completely transformed physics. The most famous was his theory of special relativity, which said that time and space are not fixed. They change depending on how fast an object is moving. At the time, this sounded unbelievable, but later it was proven to be true. From that theory came the most famous equation in the world, E equals mc squared, which means energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. This simple idea became the foundation for understanding nuclear energy and many of the modern technologies that followed. But Einstein wasn't just a scientist, he was also a deeply thoughtful and sensitive human being. He loved music and played the violin to relax. He once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge," because imagination, he believed, is what drives discovery and progress. Even as he became one of the most famous scientists in the world, he lived a simple life, cared about peace, and spoke out for justice. When the Nazis rose to power in Germany, Einstein left his homeland and moved to the United States, where he continued his research and became a strong voice against war and violence. He supported efforts to limit nuclear weapons, even though his own work had helped make them possible. Albert Einstein died in 1955, but his legacy still lives on today. Everything we know about space, time, black holes, even the GPS technology we use every day is built on his ideas. Einstein wasn't just a physicist, he was a dreamer, a thinker, and proof that one mind with enough imagination can change the world forever.